Premier League star Jack Grealish walks into a courtroom, not a stadium. The judge tries to humiliate him, thinking he's just another flashy footballer. But what happens next will leave the entire courtroom speechless. Narrator: when Jack Grealish stepped into Westminster High Court, everyone thought they knew him. Flashy hair, flashy cars, flashy skills. But today, he wasn't here to score goals. He was here to defend the constitutional rights of every footballer in the Premier League. The case? A proposed government policy that would limit athletes' freedom of speech and force them to disclose private earnings, all in the name of public transparency. They thought it was just legal formality. They didn't expect a footballer to actually show up, let alone Jack Grealish. Judge Whitmore smirked, adjusted his robe, and said,
"Mr. Grealish, are you sure you're in the right place? This is constitutional court, not post-match interviews."
The courtroom chuckled, but Jack didn't blink. He opened his file, stood tall, and replied,
"With respect, Your Honor, I didn't come here to talk football. I came here to speak for those who can't."
The room quieted, the air changed, and for the first time, they listened. Grealish laid down a stack of documents, cases of footballers penalized for social media posts, players who lost homes due to retroactive taxes, articles attacking athletes who dared to speak their mind.
This policy isn't about taxes, it's about silencing us, and silence, Your Honor, is dangerous.
Judge Whitmore raised an eyebrow.
You gathered this yourself?
Jack didn't flinch.
Yes, sir, because I've lived it. I've seen friends destroyed by media trials, and I've been told to shut up and play too many times.
A lawyer whispered in the back. Why is he making sense? Grealish read directly from the UK Human Rights Act. Article 10, the right to freedom of expression, not just for journalists, for everyone, even footballers. Judge Whitmore leaned forward.
"Mr. Grealish, are you quoting the law to me?"
Yes, Your Honor, because people might ignore Parliament speeches, but they listen when we speak.
He paused.
So if you're going to take away our voice, at least know we'll fight for it first.
For a moment, even the judge looked unsure of himself. Judge Whitmore took off his glasses. The courtroom had fallen completely silent.
"Mr. Grealish, your presentation is thorough, unexpectedly so."
Jack looked him in the eye.
People expect me to be all hair and headlines, but today I showed you something different.
And just like that, what began as a joke ended as history. Some attorneys nodded. One even clapped, and reporters outside scrambled to update their headlines. Jack Grealish wins court of public opinion, with words, not goals. Narrator: they mocked him, they underestimated him, and then they watched as he dismantled the system, one sentence at a time. If this story inspired you, like, subscribe, and join us for more tales where courage meets the courtroom. Because sometimes, the smartest player isn't holding the ball.